Hello and welcome back to the channel. Bit of a discovery if we can make it through this rather prickly bush whilst we were doing groundworks for the new shed. And behind all of this is a cable that seems to have come through from next door. Now I think what's happened, looking at that hole, the dog's actually dug down and managed to get hold of this cable. And whilst trying not to impale myself on this rather sharp bush, I think what we're going to have to do is just poke that through and then rebury it in the ground or wherever it came from and let next door know. I'm going to be very careful because obviously if there's any damage to it, the last thing I want to do is actually be touching it. But actually it looks all intact, so that's quite lucky. Let's just poke this back through. Just for a bit of temporary extra protection, I'm going to put a slab in front of it. So hopefully that'll stop any more issues, at least on this bit. While not exactly perfect, that will certainly do temporarily until we clean up this whole part of the garden.